Welcome, everyone. My name is Alexandra. I'm from Redtag. I'll be your host for today, making sure everything stays on time. We're scheduled for about 45 minutes, and whenever you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. And I would like to welcome you all on our webinar, Unlocking the Power of Salesforce Service Cloud, from Implementation to Success Stories. And now, without any further ado, let me introduce our amazing speakers. I give the word to them. But before we get started, let's get to know each other slightly. You try to write your city where you're from in the Zoom comment section. Feel free to use it. It's a small chat button below. And it's also the place where you can leave all the questions that appear during the webinar. And now I'll give the word to our amazing speakers.
So, hello, my name is Dennis. I'm from Redtag, and I'm a senior sales account manager at this great company. So today with me in the call on the webinar, we'll have Norbert Wanderberg. He is a Salesforce account executive. I'll give him a word to introduce himself, of course. And Yuri Pinchuk, he is our Salesforce developer that will hold a demo of a sales service cloud in action, let's say. So please, Norbert, please.
Yeah, so my name is Norbert van den Berg, and I'm working for 8 years with Salesforce as account executive. And as of today, I'm a Salesforce Service Cloud account executive. So I would like to tell you a bit more about Salesforce and about Service Cloud as a solution which could be used by you. First of all, Salesforce as a company, we would like to thank you for taking the time to dig into what Salesforce can offer to you, and that's why I would like to show this slide to show to you, like, we are grateful that we can spend some time together here. So yes, let's go to the next one. So Salesforce as a company it has been growing very fast in the 25 years that we exist. As you can see, a very steep growth, a lot of innovation, philanthropy in the 1+1+1 model, where we give like 1% of our product and 1% of our time back to the community. And ethics, we see it as a very important thing for our company. So that being said, let's move forward and dig into the next one. So our core values, it's trust. That's the most important to us. That within our organization, but also with our customers and with our partners, trust is number one, and it has always the priority for us. And customer success, if our customers are successful, we are successful. So we need to make sure that we have the focus to make our customers as successful as possible. Innovation, we've been 10 years in a row most innovative company in the world, named by Forbes, which shows that we are always looking forward to progress and to make our solutions better and to get them better fitted to our customer needs. Equality is also very important within our organization. So everyone needs to have the same capabilities to be successful, and everyone needs to have the same level field in that sense. And then sustainability as last value has been added a couple of years ago. And it's very important that we also take care of the world and the resources that we have, and that we don't use more than we need, basically. So let's move further. So as we see business, we see it as the greatest platform for change, and then for good change. And as I said before, 1% equity goes to is what we give away. 1% of our time we give away, and 1% of our product we give away. So I think that's a great thing we do as a company. It also shows that we don't only care about our revenue, but we also care about the community around us. So and then, so as you might know, since a long time, we are the number one in CRM, and that will give you a lot of benefits for yourself, but also for your customers in the future. it's a very huge gap between our services and the other services as Microsoft, Oracle, SAP, and Adobe, as you can see in the figure here. Yeah. So then we have moved forward from a cloud-based company to mobile, social, and data. And now we are going forward into artificial next phase of our company. And as you can see, our systems need to be flexible to change and adjust to the future needs of the customers. And that's what you can really see in this slide. And we have adjusted our systems all the time to make sure that they can make our customers and the customers of our customers more happy in the future than they are today. Yeah. So let's move further. So we are in this AI revolution. So what we saw in wave one, we saw like it's a very predictive way. Now it's generative, so it's going to generate answers by itself. And then the next one is autonomous agents. So agents, will be able to make their own answers and make their own way of working together with the customers. And then in the last wave, in the fourth wave, as we see it now, is artificial general intelligence. Yeah, the systems will solve their own solutions and make sure that the customers are happy with that. So I think it's very, very interesting what's happening there, and we are in the front row of this developments, making sure that our customers can compete and even be before the wave of the market. Yeah. So let's move further. And then we see all of this leads to solutions that we offer. So we have a customer 360 plate here with a lot of different solutions. Of course, Salesforce, the name says it all. Sales, we offer sales, of course. Then service. However, service is the biggest solution we have. Then marketing to find new customers. Commerce to make your web shops available. Analytics to analyze how you're doing. The platform to also get these other departments which are maybe not directly customer facing, to also get them connected. Then Slack, most of us know Slack as a communication platform. Tableau as a deep analytics solution. Quip, Canvas, more like documents. Heroku for developments, MuleSoft for integration, and then Data Cloud where it all comes together. The thing is, you want to get this one customer view, this one profile of your customers. You want to distribute this around your whole organization and all departments to make sure that everyone has the same truth about your customers, to make sure you can make the right decisions and to make your organization more efficient and productive. So that's why we offer all these different solutions. So then if we go a little bit deeper into customer service, improving customer experience is your top priority, but 61% of service leaders are seeing call volume increases. So volume increases, complexity and costs are rising, and we need to make sure that we are tackling this sooner than later. So let's move on to the next one. So what we saw in the past, we saw search and find, static processes and operational reports in legacy systems. What we see, what is happening today and what will happen in the future is generative experiences, AI-powered processes, and data and intelligence-based solutions. And to make this step towards the future, we need to make sure that we are using AI in our services and that we have the newest solutions to be comfortable with this. So yeah, let's move forward. A lot of challenges stand in our way. So we need to trust in AI. As Salesforce, we think that's super important. So that's also something that we try to build in our solutions, that the trust is our number one value, and that the AI that we are building is also trustworthy. So that's super important to us. Then the process and skill gap that we see, it's a big thing. So the employees need to make sure that they can keep up, and the processes need to be adjusted to the new situation. Disconnected systems, so that's the systems where all the data is in, the legacy systems, which are not capable of helping the workforce of today. So this data need to be accessible for the employees, and the systems need to be flexible, and that's what we can offer with Salesforce very well. Yeah. So then we see as within the service organization, we see that scale, productivity, and savings are super important. At the same time, we see that the customer wants a great experience. They want engagements which are like super close with the customers, processes which are great, worked out for them, automation which is working for them, and also the employees need this, and then the operations need to be supporting this. This the best way to do this, to do it on a data and AI platform. And as Salesforce, we have this number one AI CRM for customer service and field service. So we have a great platform for this. We can help with 30% case resolution, faster case resolution, increase with AI, for example. We can scale support across every touch point, boost service teams' productivity, increase savings with one unified AI platform. So I think that's great stuff, which is in a very short amount of time it's valuable to organizations. So that's a thing that we can offer here. Yeah. And then we have a few logos which you could consider. So that's names that they are already using Salesforce Service Cloud and AI, and they are very successful at the moment. So it might be interesting if you think about like what kind of companies are already using Salesforce AI within my industry. It could be interesting to reach out to us, and then we could negotiate on what kind of logos are using it today in your industry. Yeah. Okay. So that was my part. Thank you very much. And Dennis, please take it over from here.
Thanks, Norbert. It was a great presentation. Thank you a lot. It was great, a lot of insights, and I would like to take floor for a Redtag and give you some information about our company and how we can cooperate, how we work with Salesforce also, and what we have in our, let's say, sleeve at this point of time. So Redtag is a Salesforce implementation partner. We were established in 2013, and from the day one, we are focusing on Salesforce solely. So through these 10 years, we have been able to deliver more than 500 projects to our happy customers. So at this point of time, we have a team that has more than 100 specialists, in-house specialists. Also, they share more than 600 certifications inside. So we are very proud that we have, at this point of time, we kept our score as almost 4.9 CSOR set. It's kind of says that our clients are happy with our work, with our cooperation. Also, we are very proud that we have we managed to create and held more than 30 partnerships with our partners so far. And besides that, we have our own Salesforce Academy, which helps us to nurture new specialists, to keep them updated to the what's going on in the industry, in the Salesforce, as it's rapidly developing and the new features coming out. So we keep track on that, and also we use Salesforce Academy for our clients as we work with them from A to Z usually. Then we use Salesforce Academy and to train the resources, the specialists on the side of our partners, so they could they at the end of the day have their own specialist and can rely on themselves. Yeah, and we at this point of time we have offices in Chicago. Our main development base is located in Lviv, Ukraine. This year we plan to open our office in Netherlands. We are still deciding where, in which beautiful city it will be, but it will come somewhere in the middle of this year. Also, what products do we have? For these years, we have delivered solutions to companies engaged in manufacturing, finance management, healthcare, software development, and whatnot. I'd like to note that we have been working in general with almost popular Salesforce Cloud. In addition, of course, to Sales Cloud, our team has impressive experience working with Service, Experience Cloud, healthcare. Also, for the last years, through our Salesforce Academy, we nurtured a lot of more than 7 B2B specialists, CPQ specialists, worked with Einstein, Conga, and delivered hundreds of different integrations to our customers, as they usually have their legacy systems, and it's needed to connect different systems in one to work properly, but now on the Salesforce. Of course, I can say that we have, besides that, we have subject matter experts that are not only from Salesforce, let's say, see things from Salesforce perspective, but they are specialists in finance, healthcare, and manufacturing. So they know how business works, and that gives a lot of kind of benefit and fastens the processes when the person knows how the actual business works, and it's way easier to create the solution that you actually need in this regard. So I would like to. So we have services. Sorry. So they managed. So we have a great variety of Salesforce consulting services at this point of time. So for example, Health Check is an independent review of your Salesforce organization, which aims to check overall effectiveness and performance of the system. Also provide recommendations of any discovered issues, identify unused features and functionality, and of course propose improvements to current processes. So we usually start from this service with our clients and go through that, what we discover. Also, solution design is our core daily service, where we go from A to Z with our clients, where we do our standard Salesforce features out of the box implementation or create all custom development. Also, managed services are the services where you can, for example, our clients need additional support. We offer flexible managed packages for this. So it's kind of simple and clear. We can adjust those packages to your current needs, so you understand what is the monthly or let's say basis price you will have. And the quick start service is the service that we designed to make life easier for you to and quickly transition from what you have at this point of time to Salesforce and start quickly working with Salesforce. So please, next slide. I will go through a bit deeper what is quick start. So what does the quick start actually mean? So at the very beginning of our consulting story, we noticed that a lot of our businesses look for the same while implementing Salesforce. So for example, add fields to track specific information, customize how they see that info, few automation to streamline the routine manual task, and a couple of tailored reports, for example. That gave us an idea to put this in predefined scopes of work, and we came up with the new services called like quick starts. So in general, this service is mainly designed to case where Salesforce out-of-the-box features align with the client's requirements, but still need a touch of, as it always necessary, customization to like perfectly match the unique business needs. So the next, please. So what name you will get? So first thing is seamless Salesforce implementation in approximately 4 weeks with varying timeframes based on the selected quick start packages. So the most important thing is that the client gets a available Salesforce aligned with their specific business goals. A great bonus is the opportunity to automate manual tasks using the wide range of tools and dedicated time to something more important. Also, we grant access to tailored reports for real-time tracking or crucial performance indicators is crucial, of course, to modern world. So also we offer a smooth data migration from any platform or service to Salesforce, and guaranteeing a seamless transition here. Also, customized and practical staff training promotes user adoption and harmless and full potential of Salesforce. And of course, as we said, we offer post-go live that ensures that everything works as expected. So next slide, please. Yeah, and a couple of words how this kind of actually works in practice. So the first step, let's say, is we have a first call. In terms of this step, we go to get to know all the stakeholders, requirements, and deadlines, and schedule meeting to prepare a statement of work. Then the discovery call comes in, and where we clarify client goals and show them the list of possible solutions. Then development and configuration kicks in. Actually, that is where all magic happens. So together we will review the functionality of the system, guide clients through the user interface, and make all necessary adjustments. Then data migration is usually most businesses have, at least what we worked, businesses have their previous history. So not to lose that, we offer legacy data migration. Clients also ask, clients, for example, task is to provide us with the data they want to save. Then we go to the training part. So we train all stakeholders, including administrators. That helps to use the system correctly and efficiently. And of course, after that, we have a part where user acceptance testing is going on. So in this stage, we collaborate closely with the client's team to kind of double check and thoroughly test the system. So that ensures it aligns with the requirements and operates smooth. And of course, post-go live support. We are all committed to promptly resolving any issues that arise during the initial weeks after this release. Even after that, we don't leave our clients alone, and they can expect our help in their further development. And please, the next slide. So yeah, and we have a couple of 3 kind of packages as usual. So it depends on your current needs at that point of time. So the bigger the package, the more features we have, but it depends on the actual situation in your site. So you can feel free that you can, if you want to start small, we can start small, and then we can go further and further, and then go to some custom development if it needs. If you see that's viable, and we will of course offer you the options, but you can start small and start working with Salesforce, as I said, more or less in 4 weeks. Yep. So we have here a couple of our case studies. So we were happy to work with the companies like Boyles, for example, and Philips. So we worked with them on this project. It was a big project. And so we implemented, we did, as of course, such companies has a lot of legacy systems. So we integrated, we used MuleSoft here. So unified different systems into single structure to easy data access to provide scalability. Also, we ensured the consistent communication across microservices and integration components. We streamlined and simplified import and export of data with the focus of effective data management, and enhanced the client value through seamless integration with the existing systems. And for example, with Philips is also one of our great projects. Could you go to the next slide, please? So the Philips here is they faced multiple challenges. So managing diverse client data, tracking product life cycles, and ensuring seamless services across multiple stakeholders. So these complexities demanded an advanced integrative solution for efficient client management and device service optimization. So we go through all these stages with them, and at the end of the day, we are proud that we can present the logo here and work with them, and we currently support this great project, and it's great and lasting projects for us in here. So, and now is thank you for your time listening to this part of what is Redtag, let's say, and I will give the floor to Yuri. He will present a live demo of Service Cloud, how it actually works, and we could check him. Yuri?
Thank you, Dennis. Yeah, hello everyone. Let me please share my screen. Okay, so hello everyone once again. Today I'm going to show you a demo of some core Salesforce Service Cloud capabilities, and we start with scenario where we have a Jane. She is a customer at Pulse, and she's basically have two problems which she need to resolve. The first one, she want to buy a new product, but she is not sure about what she really want and what can fit her need. And second is that her previous order is damaged, so she wants to replace it. And how she can resolve these two problems, basically. Fortunately, our company PetPulse use Salesforce Service Cloud and Service Cloud portal, where customers can use where they can collaborate and resolve some issues. So in this portal, which we built for this demo, it looks like simple, but it's very robust. And it have a couple of options for Jane to resolve her issue. She can start from self-service and just navigate to our knowledge base with some predefined topics and try to find information about how to replace order, refund, return, and stuff like that. This knowledge base can be used by internal users as well, let's say by your agents who will support in future, but you obviously can share it with external users so they can navigate and use like this sort of self-service. Obviously, she can make a call, she can write an email, and it will create a case in Salesforce, and your team can work on it. She can collaborate with your customers and just ask a question on your portal, and then maybe she'll get some feedback about products she wants to buy. Today I will show you a demo of a live chat option. So you can start a chat and talk to your agent and get answers on her question immediately by using Salesforce Service Live Chat. So on our portal, we have this button where you can initiate a chat. By the way, if you use some other websites, this live chat can be integrated like quite easily with it, and it doesn't require a lot of development, so no worries about this. And to your information, this portal has been built without any custom code. This is all Service Cloud, out-of-the-box Service Cloud capabilities. So yeah, let's back to our chat. Let's put some subjects. Some fields are predefined already because Jane is logged into the website, so she don't need to worry about it. But initiate a chat. Let's meet another person. It's our agent, Tom. Tom is working in Salesforce Service Cloud console, and after Jane initiated the chat, he got a request notification that a new chat can be accepted. He can see some basic information about who initiated this chat, what is the subject, and he is already quite comfortable to accept this chat because he knows what happens here. After Tom accepted the chat, couple of things happened. Basically, he already, without writing any message, we already responded to Jane with some predefined message. On the background, contact of Jane has been found and connected to case. So this is something what Norbert mentioned. We have like a 360 customer view at the moment of the chat. We can easily see contact information, some previous cases, maybe some other records related to this customer, and it's easier to help basically in this case. Also, we can open the case and see all information which you need to see, and it's easier to help your customer. Regarding assignment, it's important to mention that in this particular case, we just assign case to the first available agent. But if your business have some more complicated process, let's say you have some specific products knowledge, or you have some couple of languages which you would like to support, you can assign agents dynamically based on this business scenario. It's called like a skill-based assignment. Yeah, so let's back to the chat. So Jane got a response from Tom, and basically she wanted to ask a question regarding harness for her Labrador, and also regarding the previous order. For sure, our agent can help her with that and ask about order information, so he can find this order in system and help with replacement. Jane responds with order number. So, and she thinks that this harness fit her need. Yeah, this basically since order is fine, Tom can provide some link to the order so she can buy it, and also he promises to work on the replacement order. Jane is pretty happy with this conversation and appreciated for the help. Basically, we can end the chat from both sides. from the agent side or from the Jane as a customer. So let's end this chat, and after the chat has been closed, we also have an option to give a feedback about services. So let's leave a good feedback, and this feedback is captured in Salesforce. So you, as a supervisor maybe, or some manager, you can check this customer feedbacks, see how your service goes, and maybe find some options to improve service. Yeah, this chat has been closed. We can check history of this chat. You, as a supervisor, for example, you can also manage, like, let's say you have a big agent center, customer support center, and you can have a good overview of who is available right now, who is offline, who worked, and when. Basically, if I change the date, you can see that Tom worked pretty hard today. He had a couple of cases, when it was, what was the status in some particular hour, and stuff like that. Also, Salesforce provide nice analytics with reports, dashboards, where you can analyze your service data. Yeah, this pretty much what I wanted to show you at this point. Like, there are much more, but we won't have enough time to discuss everything in this 10 or 15 minutes. We need a couple of additional calls for discussing. And if you have some additional questions regarding implementation or your business scenario, like, just reach out to us. I believe we can find some way to help you. Yeah, that's it from my side. Maybe if you have some questions, feel free to send it.
Yep, thanks, Yuri, for the demo, and yeah, and we are coming to the Q&A session. So yeah, feel free to ask any questions to me, Norbert, to Yuri, if you have anything. So we would be happy to answer all your questions, and if you have any maybe interest in implementing Salesforce Service Cloud in your company or for your business, so we also would be happy to discuss this here and after the webinar. So, do you have anything? So, we have anything.
Hey, Dennis, I think we have some questions in the comment section.
Oh, yep. So there is the question is, how much time does it usually take to implement Service Cloud? So Yuri, as far as to implement Service Cloud.
It depends. Like, in our Kickstart, we have a couple of options. So yeah, it really depends how you want to start. Just for your reference, this portal we built in a couple of hours with our team for this demo. So if you don't need any specific like requirement, and out-of-the-box features are fine for your business, it's straightforward process. I believe discovery will take more than implementation of this portal, for example. But if there are some more advanced cases and some customization are needed, it depends. It depends really.
So it shouldn't be if it's not some custom development. So if you use it out of the box, let's say, so it doesn't have to be long, let's say. So as you said,
No. It's discovery will take more time. I promise.
Okay, so we have another question. So for what industries does the Service Cloud work best?
Like Norbert mentioned, there are no specific industry for Service Cloud. Service Cloud can fit any industry, any business where you have customers and you want to support your customers. Like any, I can imagine it can help to any business. Like no, for sure there is no some specific.
Sure. So we can use it for any business who has any service requirement,
Yeah.
clients and so on. So it's kind of the best thing to. So it's, as Salesforce has, so we have sales part and service and service part. So after when we sell, we have to service. So it's usually the most important.
Even if your business don't use Sales Cloud for now, but you already have some clients. Let's say you use some other services, some another e-commerce platform, and you find that, but you want to support your customers, you can use only Service Cloud for this. Maybe in future you will switch to Salesforce Service Cloud as well, but it's not prevent you to use only Service Cloud.
Perfect. That makes sense. So you don't have to you can use only Service Cloud for your client. Doesn't matter what system you use at this point of time. That's great. Thanks. Thank you very much. So if you have there is no questions more, so please anyway reach out to us. We will receive the messages, the emails after the webinar, and please feel free to reach out to us, and we'll be happy to support, help, and work together in the future. Norbert?
Completely agree with you, Dennis. Yeah, I think it was great having this this session. I hope everyone who attended it as a guest experienced this as this as well. And please reach out if you have any follow-up questions. Don't feel obligated to do so. And yeah, thank you for attending. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Have a great week then. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.